What's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to get your SD card out of your camera if it's stuck. So this SD card is kind of broken and it was stuck in the camera. So this is the side that was stuck. So all the videos I watched showed people sticking a piece of plastic in the other side and sliding it out, which didn't make a lot of sense to me, but I tried it with this toothpick. I stuck it in the front side of it and it slid right out. So just putting that pressure on the opposite side allowed it to slide out, even though it had some broken pieces stuck in the camera, and everything fell out and came out and it works perfectly now. Not going to put this SD card back in any camera. So just using a toothpick, plastic toothpick on the other side, that's probably smarter than using an X-Acto knife or something that could actually damage your camera. If you have a piece of plastic thinner than a toothpick, that might even work better.